Yeah, welcome back, children. Today we'll learn usual forms. So, how to convert numbers from standard form to usual forms, usual general forms. Okay. So now we'll see certain examples. So 7 into 10 power 4. Actually, it's a standard form. Okay. Now 7 into 10 power 4 is nothing but 4 zeros. Simply we can call it as a 10,000. Okay. 10 power 4, it gives 4 zeros. Okay. So simply 7 ones are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our usual form. Okay. Okay. We'll see. 7.3 into 10 power 2. What happened? Here we have a decimal numbers and we have to convert them into usual form. Okay, write a 7.3. I have removed a decimal. I have written the numbers together. Okay. So after decimal we have a single digit. So in the denominator we get a single zero into 10 power 2 as it is. Here nothing means we have a 1, 10 power 1. But the 10 power 1 in the place of a denominator. So when it comes upper side, so we have a formula, right? 1 by a power n. We have a power n. When it comes upper side, it will changes the sign of the power. Symbol of the power, okay? So here we just 1. So when it comes upper side, what will happen? So we will get 73 into 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 to the power of 2. So we have a formula a power m into a power n. When we have a same basis with the exponents and with the multiplication time, so we'll add the exponents. What is your minus 1? Minus 1 time plus 2 plus 2 times. So minus plus cancel, what happened? Plus left. How many times left? Only 1 time left. So simple, here we'll write 73 into 10 to the power 1. 1 time left, no? Plus 1 only, no? So 10 to the power 1 is nothing but just 10 only. But 73 into 10 answer? 730. So what happened? We converted standard form into usual form, usual number. Yes. 7.234 into 10 to the power minus 2. I have written like that, minus 2. Then what will happen? Okay, we'll see. Remove the decimal now. So write all together 7234 by, after decimal 1, 2, 3. We have 3 digits. So we'll write 3 zeros into 10 to the power minus 2. Minus 2 as this. Now 7234 by 123. So we'll write it as 10 power 3 minus 2. Correct? Now bring a 10 power 3 upper side. What will happen? 7234 into 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 2. And same basis, different exponents. Okay. Minus we have a 3 times and minus we have a 2 times. Any cancellations? No, because all same category, minus. If there is a plus, opposite category, then we'll make it cancel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total we have a 5 minus. So simply we'll write answer 7234 into 10 to the power minus 5. Minus. Then what we'll do? So if you want to change 10 power 5 symbol, so then write in denominator place. Here we have a minus now. So when it comes to denominator place, it will become plus. Upper number same. 7234. Now 7234. 10 power 5 is nothing but in denominator we have a 5 zeros. But look at, when do we have a 3 zeros? So there is a decimal after the 3 digits. Am I right? Now when do we have a 5 zeros? That is a mean. Write a 7234. From the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 zeros. So after 5 digits, we should keep the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, we need 5 digits. So here I am adding 0 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So here decimal. But decimal before also we need a digit. So I can add one more 0. Now the standard form of, the usual form of 7.234 into 10 to the power minus 2, that is 0.0724. Okay, right. Now we'll go with the shortcuts. Okay. Yeah. So multiplication and 10 power is positive. 10 power is positive. Positive power. What I'll write? Decimal moves right side. Next, same multiplication, 10 to the power minus power. Decimal moves left side. Yeah, this is the right side of the board. It is the left side of the board. Now we'll go with examples. Now 23 into 10 to the power 2. Better we'll take point also. Yeah. 2.3 into 10 to the power 2. What is said? The power is plus. If you take place, the decimal moves right side. It will go right side. Okay. How many places? Based on number of zeros. Look at 10 power 2 means the decimal moves 2 places. Write down 2, 3. Actually, decimal here. Here we have only one digit. Correct? No? Actually, we have to move one more place also. So that means here we need certain number. We need a certain digit support. So the digit is nothing but 0. Correct? So simply answer will write it as a 230.0. Simple, we can write it as a 230 because after the decimal we have zeros only. So we can simply treat it as a round figure number 230. Okay. So 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 2. Same 2.3. What happened? If the 10th power is negative, the decimal moves left side. Left this side. Okay. Look at here also. Here we have only one digit. Here also we need the support of one more digit. That is nothing but 0. Simply write 0 before we have a decimal. 0, 2, 3. And decimal before also we need support of a digit, that is 0. So 2.3 into 10 to the power 2 minus 2 is equal to 0.023, and 2.3 into plus 2 is equals to 10 power 2 is equal to 230. Yes, we'll see. 7.23456 into 10 to the power 2. Just for idea I have taken this example. Okay, we'll take some more numbers also. 347. Now 347.234567 into 10 to the power 2. 10th power is positive. Definitely the decimal moves right side based on zeros. 10 power 2 means the decimal moves only 2 places. Look at up to here 1 and here 2. So directly I can write the answer. The answer is 34723 point, because the decimal moves 2 places. 456. Next, 347.23456 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now how many places negative number? So it comes to right left side. How many places? 3. 1, 2, 3 up to here. So simply I'll put the decimal here. I'll write the all digits. 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I said already before decimal definitely we need a digit. So nothing means we'll take it as a 0. So this is the shortest way. If you really know how to convert a standard to usual form the numbers, definitely the shortcut method can be useful if you really understand the concept. Okay. So try to understand the concept and try to write a standard to usual or usual to standard. You can try. Okay. Okay. Very well. Have a nice day. Very good, children.